Back at you. I got a cool little tool review here, all right? I'm gonna show you what it is first and we'll talk about it. There it is. There's the part number in the back. All right, so they are not a sponsor, but I just like the tool. And it's a small tool that packs a big punch. So it's very inexpensive too. This company makes tools at a reasonable price in my opinion. But here it is you get 4 of these. Looks like they're all pretty much the same length. So you get 4 bolts, 4 nuts. You get these little ball bearings in there, and there's a little pusher here also on it like this. You get a larger footprint so you're not digging into something. So basically how this works is you're trying to remove hubs that are stuck on the knuckle. If you punch out 2 of the studs, get the studs off the actual hub, this goes through the hub, and then like I said, you put this against whatever you're like the knuckle, and you have a nut back here. So it looks like this. I'll show you. So you'll go through like this, and this will be pushing up against the knuckle. So as you're holding this with a wrench and you tighten this up, it pulls and separates the knuckle. So the wheel hub off the knuckle. So like I said, it actually is very effective. I've used it quite a bit. It's pretty durable also. Never had a problem with it, never stripped out. So the hardware they're using is pretty good stuff. I've used it on some hubs that they were stuck on there pretty good, and this is the only way I got it off without beating the crap out of it and heating it up, and just pulled it right off. So figure I'd bring it to your attention, because if you're struggling with hubs out there, you want an easy way to do it. This is the easy way to do it. It's, like I said, you just pop off a couple of the studs, put this in there, hold that with a wrench, and tighten it up, pops right out. You do it a little bit of this side, alternate it, top, bottom, top, or side to side, just alternate it. It'll pull out, pull out, pull out, and they're out before you know it. It's a very effective way to remove a hub. Hopefully you like it. Let me know. Till next time. See ya.